pairing. So the first time you take the Realme Buds Air out of the box, you open that cap and your Bluetooth settings will instantly recognize it. Once that initial connection is made, every time you open that cap, it's connected to your phone. It is absolutely magical. The whole process just fits to the natural usage habit that we have, and it does not need any redundant operation, and we do that by using the beauty of technology. Also, it supports Google Fast Pair protocol. So if you see that pop-up on top, every time you'll try to make a new device connection, it'll show that pop-up, and you can instantly connect without going anywhere else, which makes the experience extremely new. Then we talk about latency. When it comes to wireless buds, latency can be very annoying. You might not notice it when you're listening to music, but when watching a movie and especially playing a game, have you realized that when you're using a wireless earbud, you hit that shoot button and the sound comes 2 seconds later? Well, that is latency. And we want latency to be as low as possible, which is why at Realme, we customized a new R1 chip based on Bluetooth 5 protocol to ensure extreme low latency. Furthermore, the two buds synchronize to the phone equally and together to ensure that the audio latency is as low as possible and the sync is absolutely great. To give you an even more immersive experience while gaming, we have prepared a new gaming mode on the Realme Buds Air. As soon as you activate that gaming mode, the latency will drop another 51%, bringing it to among the lowest in the industry. How do I know that? Well, let's take a look at some data. The Airpods have a latency of 204 milliseconds. It's quite low, right? What about the Realme Buds Air? 120 milliseconds. So it is absolutely low. That's the kind of latency that you'll get with the Realme Buds Air. We've also integrated a lot of innovative tech into that small compact form factor that you see. It has a chipset, a battery, and drivers. Also, there are two microphones, as you can see on the screen right now. One of them will record your voice, and the other one will record the environmental noise, and they'll together offset that background noise that you have in calls, which means that when you're in a call, you do not have to worry about your call quality one bit. Also, sound is one of the most important parts of an earbud experience, and we did not forget that at all. We have a big 12mm driver, and we have a dynamic bass boost solution as well to give you that punchy bass. Also, take a look at that audio curve, and what you'll realize is that not just bass, in all other areas of the sound, the Realme Buds Air gives you that high fidelity sound that you're looking for. Also, we did not stop here. We included some smart technology into the buds. Tell me if this has happened to you. You're listening to your favorite music, right? And someone comes in and wants to talk to you. What you generally do is take out your phone, you unlock that, aim at that small pause button there is, you pause the song, and then you look up to talk. Well, with the Realme Buds Air, you do not have to do that. Just take that bud out of your ear, and the music automatically pauses. Magical, isn't it? That's not it. Keep it back in, and the music will resume again. Now, unlike magicians, we would show you our tricks, and how we do that is an optical sensor that you saw. It'll detect when it's in your ear. Also, the Realme Buds Air would not be truly wireless without some touch controls. So double tap, as you saw right now, you can play or pause your music. You can also answer your call. Triple tap, you can go to the next song. And long press, you can go to your assistant, whatever assistant is on your device. So it doesn't matter if you're using an Android phone, an iOS phone, anything. And you can also reject that annoying guy who's talking to you on the phone. Also, battery life is one of the most important parts of the Buds Wireless. And on the Buds, you can, okay, I forgot gaming mode. So for gaming mode, also what you can do is just hold that button for 2 seconds, just touch the Realme Buds Air, and you'll enter gaming mode. Also touch it again, and you'll exit gaming mode. That's how simple it is. Now let's move to battery life. So we have 3 hours of battery life on the single buds and 17 hours total playback with that charging case, which should be more than enough for a day of usage. Also, the Realme Buds Air would not be completely truly wireless if you didn't have wireless charging. So yes, the Realme Buds Air does support officially wireless charging, and that charger that you see, that beautiful little block, It is from Realme. It is a 10-watt Qi compatible charger which will be available to buy separately very, very soon. Now we come to design, and as a design-oriented manufacturer, the design of those buds was very important to us. Realme Buds Air are something that you're going to keep in your ear all day long, all night long. Even if you're talking on the phone, listening to music, even if you're not doing any of those things, you'll still keep them in your ear. Which is why we paid special focus to the weight. And we've brought the weight down to just 4.2 grams.
It's time for the pricing. Should I do the pricing now or later on? Okay, let's do it right away. Right, so the Realme Buds Air will be priced at rupees 3,999 rupees in India.